Think reinstalling Steam will fix store loading issues? Wrong. The solution is usually simpler. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Few things are more frustrating than Steam's store or servers refusing to load, leaving you with blank pages and endless spinners. The good news? It's usually not a global outage but cached data, client glitches, or local network settings. In this guide, we will show quick steps to refresh Steam, check server status, and get everything running smoothly again. Method 1. Clear Steam download cache. When Steam server is not loading, clear Steam download cache. This can happen if some download files are corrupted. Clearing the cache can fix the issue. To do so, follow these steps. Open the Steam application and from the top left corner, click on the Steam option. Open Settings. Head to the Download section in the Settings panel and select it. Next, click on the Clear Download Cache option. Click on OK to save the changes. Now log into Steam and try to download a file and check the download speed. Method 2. Use Big Picture mode. The next thing you can do is launch Steam using the Big Picture mode. Open Steam and go to the extreme top right corner and select the Big Picture mode icon. Then try the store from there. You can exit with Alt plus Enter. Method 3. Delete most of Steam. Close Steam, then go to your Steam folder. The default location is c:/program/file/Steam. Delete everything except steam.exe and the Steam apps folder. Then restart Steam to let it update. Method 4. Restart or power cycle the internet router. Power cycling the router can resolve network-related issues. Here is how to do so. Unplug the power cord of your internet router and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug in back the power cord. After you get internet access, launch your Steam. Now check if the problem is resolved this way. Method 5. Disable proxy servers. The next thing you can try is disabling the proxy server. Enter Internet options in the search menu and open the top option. Go to the Connections tab and click on LAN settings. Find and uncheck the box attached to use proxy servers for your LAN option. Click on OK to save the changes. Method 6. Check the internet connection. You need to have a stable internet connection to use Steam. Visit this website to check the internet speed. If the speed is slow, contact your service operator. Method 7. Kill the resource hogging tasks. If you are running multiple programs in the background, Steam can also be slow and show errors. So, close some programs. This can boost the download speed. Follow these steps to do so. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del keys. Select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab to see which programs are consuming the CPU. Right-click on each program and select the End Task option. Once done, check if this could boost the download speed, else flush DNS. Method 8. Flush DNS and reset winsock. A corrupted DNS cache can also be the reason why Steam is having store or server related issues. So flush the DNS cache and see if this could make any difference. Follow these steps to flush DNS. Type command prompt in the Start menu and right-click on the command prompt option. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Now copy and paste the following line of commands in the elevated command prompt window and hit Enter after each command. Once you finish running all the commands, exit command prompt and relaunch Steam. Try to download a file. If the problem persists, change DNS. Method 9. Change DNS. If flushing the DNS could not boost the Steam download speed, change the DNS settings. Here is how to do it. Press Win plus R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the Run command box and then press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Reopen Steam and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue persists, reinstall Steam. Method 10. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games in Steam. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 11. Uninstall and reinstall Steam. If none of the methods shown could fix the Steam download problem, reinstall Steam. A fresh installation can fix the problem. To reinstall Steam, follow these steps. Enter Control Panel in the Windows Start menu and press Enter. Click on the Programs and Features option. A list of installed programs will appear. Look at Steam on the listed applications and right-click on it. Select the Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall the Steam from your computer. After the uninstall finishes, go to the Steam official website and download the Steam installer. Install Steam using its installation wizard. Now try downloading a file using Steam and check whether the slow download persists. Steam's store and server not loading error may look like a major outage, but with the right fixes, clearing cache, checking your connection and verifying server status, you will be back online quickly. If this video helped you restore Steam access, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your own Steam troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.